today, we're gonna be, I just made this up. I don't even know if anybody did this. But we're gonna do a toy hunt challenge.
Yeah.
And how it's gonna work is, we have five toys. Stuffed animals, and my mom is gonna hide them, and so we have to find them. And the winner has to choose a consequence for the loser. You get that?
Yep. So let's get started. We're gonna get released.
So my mom hid all the toys. As you can see, they're not right there. Look.
Wow.
They're not right there. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find them.
Okay, for the first one, I'm gonna record because we lost a camera. We broke a camera, and we're gonna get a new one soon. But just for the first round, I'm gonna record. Second round, she's gonna record. Third round, I'm gonna record.
It rained and we left it outside.
Okay, go. Wow, she found one. These aren't very hidden. Hey. Okay, so it's not going to be in that room because she said maybe it's going to be in the bathroom. Hold on. No. Hi. I found one. No, wait, no, that's a washcloth.
I can run to you for nothing.
Oh, it's so dark in here. She did hide those.
I already checked in that room.
This is. Let me see my. No,
It turned off.
Yeah, something's wrong with my light. It's been like this for a long. Turn it on. I can't see anything. So neither can the camera. Okay, whatever. We're done. Okay. Is there any in the trash can? Let's check. Check the trash can.
I'm gonna take this door.
Oh, it's too dark in here.
It's not in there.
It's so dark in here too.
I know.
Hey, okay, so this is where we got our stuffed animals from. If she hid them here, that'd be mean.
Yeah.
Hey,
This is right there.
I got it.
I found
No,
it.
I got it though. I got it.
Ugh. Let me see if it's
Hey, that one.
Get away from me.
You just punched me in the stomach. I think that's it for here.
Yeah, I think that's it. I got it.
So we each found one. Whoever found the best at. Okay, there. I can't see anything.
No, there's nothing.
So there's nothing over there. Why don't we check over there?
Right here. Right here, baby.
Do you hear that guitar thing? That was mine. Hey, that's mine. Give it back. I'm gonna tickle you. She's very ticklish. Like very ticklish. Okay. Check. Brah. No? Hold on. I can't find anything. Okay, so we're not allowed in there. Let's see. This is very messy.
It's gonna be hard.
It's not even here. We said for her not to hide it in here, but I'm going in. Oh, it's a mess.
It smells bad in there. It's not in here.
In the
It's
bathroom.
in the toilet.
If there was poop in the toilet, that would be so weird. No. No.
Is this not stuffed Find it.
No, I still can't find any. I'm gonna check my room again.
No, it's not in there.
Are you sure about that? Oh wait, that was mine. That's mine. Okay, sorry.
I was about to take it again.
Well then. So, I'm done.
No, I got it.
No. Give it back. Okay, give it.
No, I got it first. I got it.
Sorry, I pulled your hair. Did I just screenshot? Okay, that was weird. Okay, I got 2. I'm gonna put my 2 up in the living room. Okay, so I can have a better steady hand. Okay. So if I find the next one, I win. If she finds the next one, then we go. Come on. She has 1, right? You tiny berry, so small, so cute. You're back here. Thank you. I caught it like a prize. Okay, stop it. I'm gonna take you. Guys, it's actually really taking super long to find 2 leftover stuffed animals. Can't find. You found one? No. We can't find them anywhere. We've checked Diana's room 3 times. We checked my room. I don't know. It's a lot. I doubt she did that because we would have heard it. But let's look.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh yeah, look at this awesome view from our house.
It rained earlier.
Oh yeah, my friend lives
Rapping.
there.
The one that was in the puppy video this morning.
We haven't posted that one.
Let's out.
Tickle her next time she does that because it's very, very, very. We seriously can't find any. They're so hard. We've been looking for so long. She's got. I'm gonna check over here. Wait, what? No, no, you didn't.
I know.
Which one was it?
It was the first.
Oh gosh.
It's right there. He was hanging.
Okay, well then.
I got.
So, I don't know. I think because how many have we found in the living room? We found one right there.
Yeah, I found the one right here. It was just sitting there.
But we've been searching the rooms, so I really think the living room is the place to go.
Yeah. So, go check over there.
No, wait, hold on. Oh, I think it's a. Oh, dang it.
Go check over there.
Hold on.
Is it like by the tree?
Why aren't you looking for it?
You're supposed to look. There's a bump there's a bump right there in the tree basket. There's a bump.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Right there.
Oh, dang it. Nothing.
Check it. Check like all over.
Wait.
Oh. really inside the tree? That's weird.
Okay.
That's really weird.
And next round. We're waiting again.
Okay. Yeah.
He's done hiding them. 3. Wait. Okay, we're back. She's recording this time. Let's do this. Scatter.
Go this
I
way.
found it.
You did?
It was in the same place. The same stuffed animal was in the same place. And
Really?
a different person hid it.
Really?
My dad hid it. It was really, it's fine. Okay.
Go over here. Can't see because of my shadow. No, it's not.
Hey.
You hit me! Ah! I'm coming to get you.
Her brother's in there.
I see my room.
I'm gonna check the bathroom.
I feel like I'm holding like a cup with water filled all the way to the top. I have to be so careful.
Okay. If he isn't this little magical place of magicalness. Oh, I found something. It might be him. It might be one.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it?
Oh no, it's just this.
No.
This wasn't part of it. It's a dog, so I thought, oh,
No.
get out of this.
Get down on the ladder, you baby.
Yeah, I'm too old for this.
Nope.
Okay. way longer than my mom.
Yeah. Or we couldn't hear him because the TV was on.
Hey, it's pretty dark in here. So.
So, where were I? No, don't get the camera.
Okay. So the door's open here. So.
Is it anywhere? Your arm's blocking the camera. Move it. Stop it. Elbow space. Squeeze me. Elbow space.
Excuse me?
Squeeze me. Let's see what it is. There's a toy to look for.
It's in the same place again.
No, it's not.
No. Hey, there's a bump.
Yeah.
Dang it, it's not here.
Yeah, there. Why are we saying it's?
Why they?
Why are we? Not in there. How did you? No, I already checked over there. Oh, it's right there. Can I put that? Can you get it?
Yeah, you got it. Yeah,
It's right there. It's right there.
Here you go.
I can't reach that, so he's getting it for me. I get the Staffy.
Yeah, we only found 2. This is really hard.
I get the Staffy first. Hello. Hello, my name is Staffy. I am a weird person.
I'm not trying this at home. I'm trying professionals.
Oh, wow. He is super done.
Okay.
Let's see what's on the balcony. Okay, yeah, it's open. Just have to get it. On the balcony, there's a light switch for the balcony.
Get it first if it's here. Yeah. What if it fell off?
Look! This dang birds are building another nest.
What do you mean, dang? That's cute.
That's
I guess.
cute.
Okay, let's go back inside.
I get the Staffy. I am weird. Hey, look at the TV. He's so weird. No.
Hey, did you hands
We needed to edit something out.
Don't tell him what happened.
You'll
You'll never know.
He actually did it. I know he did. I felt it and I...
Oh, I thought that was a stuffed animal, but it was just a toy hot dog.
a toy hot dog.
You want to see?
I'm on guess.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Toy hot dog.
It's our dog's toy hot dog. We have like multiple dogs.
No, we won't.
Yeah. But we're kidnapping another dog. I'm just kidding. We're fostering them. We're fostering them. I said we're kidnapping. What are you doing?
Anna.
What's up? We're back. Here's my face again. And
Ow! I picked on my mosquito bite.
you picked on it? I'm gonna go ask him for a hint.
Yeah, let's ask him for a hint. Let me go get him.
Okay.
Hello, sir. What would you... can I have some hints? So we found that stuffed animal and... No, we found the little ragdoll Mercy in the castle.
In the castle.
Okay,
So we need hints in the other 3.
there's only 2 more.
No, there's 3.
Oh yeah, there's 3 more. They're somewhere upstairs.
Well, I know that.
Keep looking.
No, Daddy.
I'm not gonna give you a freebie. Go keep looking.
Mom.
Not a freebie, just a hint.
It's just a hint.
They're upstairs.
It's not good enough.
Besides, they're upstairs.
They're somewhere either in the living room, in Daniel's room, or your room.
Okay, so that's a hint.
That's a hint.
No, it's not.
It's in one of those 3 places.
Okay. Just give us a hint where one is. Like, give us a hint if it's in that bedroom.
Pick one.
The koala.
No, pick one room.
Oh, my room.
Okay, there's your hint. Go.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Is there one in my room?
I told you pick a hint, and that's it.
Is there one in my room?
Yes.
Okay. She's getting some water, but I'm recording. Okay. So he said one was in my room. But I have no idea. Oh, dang, it's a sock. I thought it was a... So, damn. So, let's check in the closet, I guess. Ah! Ow! So, he said it was either in my room. I mean, he said one was in my room, so I'm gonna search that. Have we found any here yet? No. You dang lights. Okay. So how bright is this gonna be on camera? Ah!
How bright is it?
Super bright.
Look at the Hello. 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 Are you in selfie mode?
Selfie.
Sorry, I forgot.
Ah! We're stronger than her. Damn it. Ah! Ah! I'm being so weak right now. Oh, she's 6, I'm 10. This is embarrassing. She almost smushed my knee. Ah! Okay, seriously?
I found one!
Okay, well, I was locked in there.
I found one.
That was actually cheating.
I
But
found one.
how did he... Hey,
I found one.
so we're looking for how many more?
One. How we do?
Okay, if I win this round. Just kidding. Okay, so this is my secret hideout place, but I kind of need a light, so I'm just gonna leave the camera right here.
Go,
no,
do
you
it.
win, you win.
Okay, I'm recording.
I'm gonna check something while I leave the recorder.
I'm gonna go like this.
That's so cool.
I found a shoe! Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Found a
You
shoe.
know what? I think there's one in my pillowcase. I feel it. I just feel it.
You feel
Let's do this.
That's not how you do it.
That's how King Kong does.
He is super dumb. I don't know what's in here again. Give me! You're gonna mess up our film. This is not there. We just checked. Oh, ew! Is it in the toilet again? Ah! You found it there. Oh.
Yeah, I stole the camera.
It was actually his phone, not the camera. Give me the camera. I got it first. Give me the camera.
I will not give you the camera. It's very bad quality. I'm sorry for that.
It's a phone, not a camera.
One pages falling down. Fall.
It would be funny if you were like this.
It's taking ages. We tried to ask my dad for hints again, but you know how he is. Wait, is that? No, okay. This is really hard. I have no idea where any of them are. It's literally been 10 minutes later, and we can't find... Wait. No, I'm dumb. No, I literally looked here.
I have a feeling you're gonna win.
Yeah, I already have 2. You have 2. I really think they're downstairs because it's been so long. It's been years.
Maybe you should check your room then.
No, let's check your room. The living room is the place to be. Like,
Literally found like 3 in here.
is it in here? Okay.
Like literally 10 o'clock.
I haven't checked my room in a while. I'm gonna check it again. Hey, look! I found it! I win! Ah! I win! Okay. So, I won. So I know this is a very, very long video. Maybe like, I don't know how much it's gonna be right now, but it's probably like 25 minutes. But here comes what is the consequence for losing? Okay, I'm gonna go with the very simple consequence. Ice.
For how many minutes? Or seconds?
I'm just gonna put 3. Okay, so you're gonna be like this, laying down on your back. Okay, and I'm gonna put ice. Yeah, I'm gonna put ice. So we have the ice in a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
I don't want to do that.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Okay, lay down on your back, Missy. No, your back. Your back.
I am on my back.
I mean, your stomach. Sorry. Oh god. Okay, so let's do this. One, 2. One more.
Did you like up here?
How does this not hurt you that much?
I don't know.
3. Okay, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. You know, I'll just look at the thing. Okay, it's over. We're done. Take him out now. It's stuck to your.
I can't feel my back. It stings. It stings.
It's stuck to your shirt. Okay, give me the last one.
Okay.
Oh,
You
dang
got
it, I spilled it.
That stings so bad. Feel how cold it is.
I don't want to. Okay.